In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Disney Plus app keeps stopping. Let's get started. First, force close the Disney Plus app, reopen it and check if the problem is resolved. Turn your phone, tablet, smart TV, streaming device or game console off. Wait about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data, give a fresh restart to your router. Next up, update Disney Plus app. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Disney Plus. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is check device storage. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Now from the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for Disney Plus. Next, check if you are connected to any VPN or proxies. In case you are connected, you will need to disable it. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus app from your device and reinstall it. If the app still keeps stopping, contact Disney Plus support and be ready to provide your device model, Disney Plus app version, any error message or code you see, the troubleshooting steps you have already tried. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.